I'm going to show you a really beautiful collection of fabrics, and these being because they're all really cape specific. It's kind of what I do. We did our cape webcast last night and I just loved it. These capes are just a lot of fun. So this is a wool cotton poly blend. Alexander Wang actually called it a wool tailoring. It is from, it's a navy white. The mill is in Italy, that doesn't matter. And you can see that it's stretch woven. So a beautiful navy white. Both sides are usable. I'm sure one side's a little bit better in this combination, but it's a stretch woven. Now we're going to do all these fabrics today for $12.99. This is like an ITY. It's coordinating to this navy. It's a beautiful match, but it's 100% cotton. Yeah, I know. It's 100% cotton. It has stretch in both directions, you know, a little bit of stretch. But you can see the drape is incredible. So maybe a pair of yoga pant or the base with a cape going with it would be just such an easy business, great, casual. It would go every which direction. This is a plaid. I put these together because I thought that would be a pretty combination. This is 100% silk. It is a stretch woven. Again, both sides are usable. I can't really tell the difference between either side, so this would work really well for a cape. The base, the pant, this is 100% wool. It is a stretch woven, so it has a little bit of stretch to it. Not a lot, but a little bit of stretch. Beautiful color, and beautiful color how they blend. Really, really pretty. This is a dual layer. It's a cotton poly. It's Alexander Wang. They're all Alexander Wang. Anyway, this is a black. It's like a it's kind of like a little bit like a felted fabric, but it's not. It's a cotton poly. So felted usually applies to wool. Like this is a wool felting right here. Very pretty piece of fabric. But it feels like a wool felting. And it's really pretty. I mean, I don't know how else to describe it. I don't think there's anything special and wonderful, except what I was thinking is make a really cool cape. And you know how you guys asked me last night what I did to the edges? I just turned them back, so you'd get this whole contrasting thing when you turned them back, whichever side you use. So I thought that would be just a beautiful cape. And then this is just a really casual opportunity. This is a terry. Alexander Wang called it a structured terry. It's 100% cotton. It says all that right on the tag, but I don't know what it's called a structured terry. Maybe it just has a little bit of more structure to it, I guess. But it has stretch in both directions, but it's a slight stretch. It's a black. It's a beautiful color and very pretty. It just almost feels like a velvet, but very casual look, but still really cool to do both the cape and the body with this. But again, these are all $12.99, and the goal is happy sewing, and I know you will.